Use the properties of logarithms and the logarithmic property of equality to solve the logarithmic equation. The logarithmic equation is this is natural log of 6 plus natural log of x equals natural log of 6 plus natural log of 3x minus 3. So let's talk about this property of equality to know what we're trying to work towards. So the property of equality says this: if you have log base b of m equals log base b of n. So what you have to have on both sides of the equation, you have to have a log with base b, you have to have a log with the same base b. If you have that, what you can say is that what's inside the log on the left has to equal what's inside the log on the right. That's the only way that you could have this equal sign, is if that's true. So you're taking a log equation and simplifying it to something that doesn't have logs. So in order to do that, I have to have a single log on the left and a single log on the right, which I don't have for my example here. I have 2 logs. But we can use the expanding and condensing properties to condense to a single log. So on the left, I have natural log 6 plus natural log x. Because they're both natural log, I can condense them to a single log. And when I condense them, I'm either going to use multiplication or division. And that plus sign tells me to use multiplication. So I'm going to multiply 6 times x. On the other side, I have natural log 6 plus natural log of 3x minus 3. I have natural log on both of them, so I can condense. And when I condense, I'm either going to use multiplication or division. Because of the addition here, I'm going to use multiplication to condense. So that would be 6 times 3x minus 3. So now I have a single log on the left, single log on the right, and they have the same base. They both have base e. So I'm able to use this property of equality that we talked about and say that what's inside the log on the left has to equal what's inside the log on the right. So now I'll solve this linear equation. Let's get rid of parentheses by using the distributive property. That's 18x minus 18. I'll move all the x's to the same side. I'm subtracting 18 on both sides. That gives me a negative 12x equals a negative 18. I'll divide both sides by negative 12. And that'll give me x equals, and let's reduce that. 6 goes into both of them. That will be 3 over 2. Now with every log equation, you need to check. And what you're checking for is to make sure that you never take the log of a negative. So in the original, I had natural log of 6 plus natural log. Let's substitute that 3 over 2 equals natural log 6 plus natural log of 3 times 3 over 2 minus 3. Let me write that a little clearer. That's natural log of 3 times 3 over 2 minus 3. So this is log of a positive, this is log of a positive, this is log of a positive. Let's just double check. 3 times 3 over 2 would be 9 over 2 minus 3. 9 over 2 is about 4.5 minus 3. So that is a positive number. So our solution checks out and we'll keep it. Thank you for checking out my videos. Have a great day.